Betty likes to watch the news.
Betty likes boxing and tattoos.
And Betty wants to feel something other than lonely.
Betty likes to work on her truck.
Betty works at Sephora and loves the theater.
In Jen Silverman's Collective Rage, a play in Five Betties, directed by Bay Area powerhouse Becca Wolf.
Five Betties collide when they decide to put on a play.
A Dream of Midsummer.
Summer's Midnight Dream?
I play the wall.
I am a lion.
We find unlikely friendships and something raw and relatable along the way.
New York Times calls this play a hilarious comedy for everyone.
The San Francisco Chronicle calls this production a date book pick.
And so we are calling you to the theater.
You won't want to miss this show.